Use the zebra crossing wherever necessary and watch out for traffic signals to cross the roads. Do not cross roads from any large vehicles, like bus, containers, lorries, etc. There is high possibilities for drivers not seeing the pedestrians in front of them. Do not cross roads in front of running vehicles like car, lorry, bus, etc. There is high possibilities of vehicles behind might not see you. So if they plan to overtake the vehicle, there is 100% chance of they ramming you. Do not play while crossing the roads, by pushing or pulling the people nearby you. There is always a place for you to play near your home. Do not speak or listen to music or make any conversation with any others while crossing the road. The ultimate goal should be to move from one side of the road to another safely. Speaking on phone will 100% distract you from crossing the roads. For example, the other side of the user in phone might convey you a good or a bad news. The time you hear the news, your brain starts to react to it, hence you will lose your concentration in whatever you are currently doing. If you are crossing with 3 to 4 people, be your friends, kindly discuss and finalize who is assisting in crossing the roads, else each one will make their own decision and initiate the crossing. This will lead to confusion and ends in tragedy. Do not allow kids to overtake the crossing process, instead teach them politely how to cross the roads and follow traffic rules. Educate the future generation with good discipline. Always use the flyover, subways to cross roads wherever available. For example, roads are designated for vehicles to travel. What if bikes and cycles join in subway, flyover with pedestrians? So always use the designated pathways for pedestrians. Time management plays a major role in everyone's life. Most of the accidents happens due to ignorance, lack of self-discipline and improper time management. Nurture self-discipline from childhood and it will be a part of your life, which will be good for you others.